Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to dive into a classic that many car enthusiasts still talk about, the 1992 Nissan Sunny. This white beauty holds a special place in the hearts of those who appreciate simple, reliable, and functional cars. In this review, we'll go over everything from the exterior design, interior features, to how it performs on the road, and we'll even touch on its current pricing. So, buckle up and let's get started. When it comes to the exterior, the 1992 Nissan Sunny might not scream flashy, but it definitely exudes a timeless charm. The white paint is simple, yet classy, giving it that clean, sleek look. The body is compact, with sharp, defined lines that make it feel sporty and practical at the same time. The front grille features the classic Nissan styling, with a few small touches that remind you this is from the early 90s. The headlights are rectangular, adding to that boxy yet refined look, and you've got standard bumpers with minimal flair, which I personally think adds to the charm. It's a car that's built to endure, not just stand out, and while it might not have the exaggerated curves and angles we see in modern cars, it's got a simplicity that many people appreciate. Inside, the 1992 Nissan Sunny keeps things functional. It's not going to blow you away with luxurious materials, but it gets the job done. The seats are comfortable, offering decent support for daily commutes or weekend drives. The upholstery, depending on the trim, can range from fabric to basic leatherette. The dashboard is simple, laid out for ease of use, and you get the standard analog dials for speed and fuel. There's nothing too complicated here, just the essentials: a stereo, basic air conditioning, and power windows on some models. It's a practical interior, and while it might not have all the bells and whistles of modern cars, it's certainly a comfortable place to be. Now, let's talk about performance. The 1992 Nissan Sunny is powered by a range of small engines, typically around 1.3L to 1.6L, which makes it an efficient little car. Don't expect it to be a speed demon, but it's definitely not sluggish either. The car offers decent acceleration for city driving and highway cruising. Its suspension is tuned for comfort rather than sportiness, which makes it a great choice for daily driving. Fuel efficiency is another strong point for the Sunny, especially considering its age. You can expect anywhere from 25 to 35 miles per gallon, depending on the engine variant and condition of the car. Handling is light and easy, and with its compact size, parking in tight spaces is no problem. If you're after a reliable, no-fuss driving experience, the Nissan Sunny absolutely delivers. As for the pricing, well, since this is a 1992 model, the prices can vary greatly depending on the car's condition, mileage, and whether it's been well maintained. You might find a used Nissan Sunny for anywhere between $1,000 and $4,000, and that's for a model in good shape. Of course, prices can climb a bit higher if you're looking at one that's been restored or has low mileage. Given that it's an older model, the Sunny's value isn't going to skyrocket anytime soon, but if you're looking for a classic piece of Nissan history that won't break the bank, this is definitely a car worth considering. And that's it for today's review of the 1992 Nissan Sunny. It might not be the flashiest car on the market, but if you value simplicity, reliability, and a touch of nostalgia, this car is a great option. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more car reviews, and let us know your thoughts on the Nissan Sunny in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.